How to update your store settings in CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of updating your store settings in CustomCat so you can manage your store's payment methods, support email, shipping labels, and more. Whether you're just getting started or need to make changes, this guide will help you navigate the settings with ease. To begin, once you are logged into your CustomCat account, from the left navigation menu, click on Settings, or you can find it quickly in the Quick Links section on your account dashboard. If you're managing multiple stores, you'll need to select the specific store you want to update. To do this, click the Store tab and choose your store from the drop-down menu. Or click Store Dashboard and select the store you wish to manage. Once you're in the right store, click the Settings icon on the right to open the Store Settings page. On the Store Settings page, you'll see three main sections: Store, Shipping, and Orders. Let's break each of these down. In the Store section, you'll first notice the Store Status. If your store's status is marked as Inactive, it means there are still steps you need to complete before you can upload designs or create products. You'll need to finish setting up your store before you can start selling. Next, there's the Store Information section. This includes the support email address, which is used for handling support tickets. Make sure the email you enter is accurate and regularly monitored, as it's how your customers will reach you for support. Also, don't forget to check for spelling errors before saving your support email, or support tickets may not be received. For store payment, by default, the primary payment method set in your account will be used. However, if you want to set a different payment method for a specific store, you can choose to use a store-specific payment method at any time. In the Shipping Label Information section, you'll enter the return address that will appear on your shipping labels. If you provide a valid U.S. address, it will be printed on the label. If you don't enter one, CustomCat's address will be used as the return address by default. Keep in mind that if packages are returned, they will go to CustomCat's address, and we won't be able to reship those orders. After you've made any changes, don't forget to click Update to save your settings. Moving on to the shipping section. Here you can manage your shipping methods. By default, all orders will be shipped using economy shipping. However, if you want to offer expedited shipping, you can enable this feature. Simply add the names of any expedited shipping profiles you've created in your online store. Click Add. Enter the profile name and select the appropriate shipping method. When you're done, click Save. It's important that the profile name matches exactly with what you've set up in your store, otherwise the order will default to economy shipping. If you're selling on Etsy and you want to offer expedited shipping, make sure to enable shipping upgrades in your Etsy shop manager and update your shipping profiles to reflect these options. In the Orders section, you'll find the settings for order processing. By default, orders are automatically processed every 2 hours. However, if you prefer to manually approve each order, you can turn off automatic processing. This will move your orders into a pending order queue, where you can process them individually. You can also manage how orders in the error queue are handled. If you want orders that have out-of-stock items to be automatically processed once the stock is available, you can select Yes from the drop-down menu. However, orders with other errors, such as incorrect shipping addresses, won't be automatically processed, even if the issues are resolved. Keep in mind that orders older than 60 days won't be processed due to data retrieval limits from your e-commerce platform. When you are finished updating your settings, click Save. And that's it. You've now learned how to update your store settings in CustomCat. For more tutorials, FAQs, and helpful tips, be sure to visit CustomCat.com.